Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day today. We are starting to see some buying come into the markets. Okay, so Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, and Russell, guys, are all moving higher. We do not have an official buy signal yet. Okay, but we'll start sending out alerts this evening in equities, both Stock Boss and our Bullmaster systems, and also Bullmaster Pro. Okay, so let's get right into it. Let's take a look at the market. So that is good news. All right, so that is very good news for equities. All right, so the Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, and Russell, all right, moved higher. We had a big update on Friday. You guys know Monday was a holiday. Market really moved high, gapped up today. And so the Dow was up 538 points for the day, guys. That's a big update on the Dow. Nasdaq was up, S&P was up, Russell was also up, and the VIX is down. So if you guys notice here, we have the second day of buyers, right? Green candles here on the S&P. So right here and right here. Also the Nasdaq, right? Couple of days of buying, not as much as the S&P, but still moving higher there on the Nasdaq. Dow, two big updates. So Friday and today, all right, on the Dow. And on the IWM, the Russell, big update today. All right, VIX came down, so lower volatility is good for equities. All right, so low volatility, 1506 on the VIX. So we'll take that. That's very low volatility. As far as the sectors that are moving, we've got two sectors, and we'll take a look at the individual sectors, okay? But energy, guys, pay attention, all right? So just make a note, energy stocks, right? Pay attention to energy stocks. Energy is starting to make a move, and also financials, right? Financial stocks really making a move. So those two sectors we'll pay closer attention to this evening, all right? So energy and financials. All right, we talked about this. It looks like we had a short-lived correction, about 4%, at the most 5% correction in equities. So we are starting to see equity markets move higher, okay? The futures market, the dollar is coming down. We have a white candle here on the dollar. Just remember, there's an inverse correlation with the dollar index. So as equities moves higher, the dollar index will tend to move lower. So we'll keep an eye on it. We have a white candle here. Our buy signal was right here, guys, on the dollar index at 102. Right now trading at 107. We've got support right here. And we do have a white candle. We'll see if we can hold that near-term support right here. Okay? So right here, near-term support and trend line and moving averages all right here. So this is the big area here for the dollar index, and currently it is down quite a bit, down right now. Okay, let's see here. Sectors, I talked about energy sector right here, guys, on the daily time frame. Right, we're looking for a big break, right, getting past resistance here, getting past sellers, and we've had quite a bit of resistance right here on energy. We'll take a look at crude oil also, but this is a big area here. Crude energy has been moving up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. So almost 2 weeks, all right, of buying, all right? So almost 7 business days, 8 business days of buying. And we'll look to break through that resistance right here. All right, good pattern here. We'll look to get out of that range for energy. And energy stocks, we'll take a look in Heat Seeker. We've seen energy stocks really move, okay? The next one is financials, all right? So financials right here, guys, after a nice run in financials for the Christmas rally here, all right? Great run up. Started in actually September, October, November, December, all through here. Sell signal here. So buy signal was here. Sell signal in financials, and buyers are coming in. Green candles, 4 days. 4 days of buying after a gap up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 4 days of buying. All right, if we can break through that resistance here, we'll get a buy signal somewhere in here. So financials look good. I'm not sure. Healthcare is not quite ready yet. Okay, it is. It's got a nice markdown phase. Okay, if we get a buy signal somewhere in there, okay, we'll take a look at healthcare and biotech. Hopefully we get another run like this. Not quite ready yet, okay, but we'll keep an eye on healthcare. So energy, all right, energy, financials, and then third, healthcare. Gold, gold also, guys, we don't have a lot of gold stocks, right? But basic materials, we do track basic materials, which will also have gold stocks, okay? But we do have a buy signal here on gold, the GLD, okay? That's the ETF. Forex, let's take a quick look. Lower volatility, guys, are coming in, all right? So Forex is consolidating a bit. Not a major concern, okay? But it is slowing down, all right? We've got about, what's that? 75% volatility, let's say, on the daily time frame. About the same on the 240 and about the same on the 60-minute time frame. All right, Forex is all over the place right now. All right, so we do not have a rotation. If you guys look here, right, up and down mixed here. We do have some buyers coming in here on Aussie, Kiwi, and Yen pairs. Okay, I think we sent out one alert in SGD JPY on the 60-minute. So keep an eye on that. Remember, as the equity markets move higher, the Dow, S&P, NASDAQ, Russell, those indexes move higher. The yen, right, Japanese yen pairs, the pairs will also move higher. Okay, we'll take a look at the big macro picture on those. The dollar, like I said, we're starting to see the dollar index come down. That will affect the dollar pairs. We haven't seen a major correlation with the dollar index, guys, and the dollar pairs on the smaller time frame. So 60-minute time frame, 240, all right, for whatever reason, right, we don't have a tight correlation, okay? So we've noticed that on the 60-minute time frame and on the 240, those trades are not holding as well as the daily. Daily time frame is holding solid, good trends, all right, in the dollar pairs on the daily time frame. Euro pair, same thing, guys. Not much here. If you're going to trade those individually, all right? The euro and the pound pair. So nothing has changed for a few months in the euro and pound pair. So just trade those, like I said, independently of a rotation. All right, let's go through the indexes. Okay, the Dow on the daily time frame. This is important. All right, so guys, Dow on the daily time frame. All right, like I said, that selling did not last long. About 4% correction from here to here. Right from here, right about here. Held support. Here we are. Buyers are coming back in, guys. All right. So we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 updates, but 2 updates where we've got green candles. We're gonna bring this down. We have a high up here, but we'll look for resistance about right here. Okay, so right here, if we can get past here, we'll get a buy signal on the Dow on the daily time frame. Now we're not going to call an official buy signal this evening, all right? But we'll start looking for stocks in our hit seeker for Stock Boss and Bull Master. But buyers are coming back in, guys. Okay, that's really, really good. Really, really good. All right, so green candles, and now we are trading above this moving average here. Again, resistance, anywhere in here is resistance. We break through, we'll get a buy signal, and we'll call an official buy signal on the equity markets. Okay, Dow weekly time frame looks good. Got a nice bounce of support right here. All right, so 2 weeks of buying. Buy signal here, really good. All-time highs, guys, is right here. So if we break through the high right here, that's That's new territory, right? So that's brand new highs, all right? So keep an eye, all-time highs, all right? If we break through here, that's a big deal. All right, on the monthly time frame, on the Dow monthly buy signal here, we are moving up nicely there on the monthly time frame on the Dow. The S&P daily time frame, same thing here, guys. Okay, so where we are, buyers are coming in here. I know it's hard to see here. So green candles, here we are. This is all-time highs. It's just crazy. Crazy market, guys. Buyers are just holding. All right, buyers are coming back in, looking to break through that resistance here. This will be the high, right? All-time highs, new highs, all right? All-time highs territory, all right? We're right there, guys. We're right there, all right? And look at your markup phase. So we bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Amazing trading. So that's reaccumulation, okay? Reaccumulation. All we're waiting for is another buy signal on the S&P, all right? All right. Ramir, welcome, Ramir. Welcome, welcome. All right, so we're looking for a buy signal, guys, to break out on the S&P. Now, remember, S&P, those are your large cap stocks. So S&P, NASDAQ, we're looking for large cap, mega cap stocks, okay? And your Magnificent 7 stocks will follow the S&P. All right, so great trading here on the daily time frame. Again, we need an official buy signal. All right, but we'll start adding equities again. At S&P weekly time frame buy signal here. I'm moving up nicely here. All right, all-time highs is right here. We'll break through that resistance right here. Oh, Tylac. Hey, Tylac. Hey, Tylac. Good to see you, bud. Good to see you. All right. And S&P on the monthly time frame, buy signal here, moving up nicely, guys. Look at that on the S&P. Every single candle here, right? Higher highs, higher lows. Can't ask for a better trend on the S&P on the monthly time frame. So stocks are looking really good to get back buying again, all right, after that Christmas rally. The NASDAQ on the daily time frame, guys, look here. All right, green candles coming in here. So a couple of days, not strong buying, but we'll take it, all right, on the NASDAQ. And all 4 indexes are moving in the same direction. That's good. All right, so we're looking to break through resistance here. If we get a buy signal, again, we'll call an official buy signal on the equity markets. Okay, so we're nicely in the markup phase. We're looking for a reaccumulation. So we're looking for new buyers, right? New buyers to come on in on a break of this resistance right here on the NASDAQ. We don't have that yet, okay, but that's what we need, right? A break of resistance, okay, and a buy signal, kind of like here, we did here and here and here, to then call an official buy signal in equities. Okay, so bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, moving high again. Again, small correction here, guys, after that nice Christmas rally. Small little correction, a lot smaller than here, all right? So guess what? Buyers are holding firm, guys. Buyers are holding firm. So no shorts, no puts, okay? All right. That's the NASDAQ on the daily. NASDAQ on the weekly time frame looks really good. Buy signal here on the weekly time frame. Good trend line, good markup phase, holding firm near the all-time highs, okay? So on the weekly time frame, we'll bring in our high right here, right? On the weekly time frame, we break this, guys. Guess what? New highs, all-time highs, okay? Just amazing. All right. On the NASDAQ monthly time frame, guys, same thing. Much like the S&P, much like the Dow, right? Buy signal here. Look at that. Nice trend following our trend line here. All right. All green candles. Higher highs, higher lows, moving up nicely here. So for the whole year, as a matter of fact, we can go all the way back to about 2023, where it made a bottom for so 2023, guys, right here, all the way up. Look at all of that buying there. All right, till now 2025. Just amazing, just amazing. The Russell Not as great price action, but still good. We'll take this from the Russell small caps, right? So your stock bar system will most of those stocks will come from the Russell. So small caps from the Russell. Now the Russell has struggled a bit to stay above resistance, but what we're finding right here, guys, we have a green candle that came in today. That's really good. If it continues to move higher, we'll get a buy signal. Okay, so choppy in here, very choppy, not as smooth. Okay, but at least we got a green candle here. Buyers are coming in on the Russell small caps. On the weekly time frame, if you guys notice here, right, we have a big resistance here on the Russell going back all the way to 2021, so 21 through 22, all the way through here, big resistance, and also here. All right, so we were hoping for a break earlier, late last year, right, in late December. We were looking for, right, prices to stay above here, failed. Here we are back, right, below resistance, gapped up today, looking to break through. We do have a buy signal all the way here. We just need to clear, finally, hopefully, clear this whole range here. Now, if you guys take a look here, the last time the Russell small caps, and I know we've had some issues with the Russell, but the last time, guys, it broke out of an area like this. Looks it made a high here, failed, made a high here, failed. The third time, guys, look here. All right, really took off. Look at that. All right, that's a big move for the Russell. Here, almost same thing. All right, here we failed, here we failed. So hopefully this time the Russell will move higher. Okay, weekly time frame here. Russell on the monthly time frame, we did have a buy signal again. On the monthly, looks good. We need to break through that area though. All right, big resistance, guys, here, right here. So that's 229. Let's call it 230 right here. Big resistance on the Russell. So hopefully it breaks out for us. Okay, the VIX is coming down for the month. The VIX made a high of 20, right at 22, guys. We're at 15. You guys know that's low, right? So we just needed to keep coming down, all right? So let's get to 14, 13, 12 is all the way down here, right? 12 is here. So we can get to 12, 11, 10, ideal environment for stocks. Okay, so VIX coming down, that is a good thing. Okay, all right. Making sure I haven't missed anything. Okay, the Magnificent Seven. So let's see how they did this today. All right, so the Mag 7 stocks. Okay, so NVIDIA, guys, let's take a look. We still have a sell signal, but buyers are coming in. Green candle, keep an eye on it right here. Okay, red candles here. If we break through that resistance, okay, we'll call. Now, the buy signal is still holding by the system, but these red candles, we've got to get out on these red candles, okay? If it breaks through that resistance, we'll call a new buy in with NVIDIA, okay? So NVIDIA, nice move today, all right, guys? Big move today. It needs to keep moving higher, though. Amazon, great trade, previous trade with Amazon, guys. Okay, so bought here, sold here. All right, we have a range right here. Our sell signal was here. Here we are, breaking through that resistance. We'll need another buy signal like here. If we get a buy signal, we'll call it. But good price action with NVIDIA. So as the S&P move higher, NASDAQ moves higher, these Magnificent Seven stocks will move higher, okay? All right, Microsoft, nothing here, guys, for now. Trading within a tight range here. You guys can see that here, very tight range. All right, we'll need it to break through resistance to give us another buy signal. Currently has a sell signal on Microsoft. Okay, Google right here. Let's take a look. All right, we do have a buy signal. We We have a buy signal here. We did call a sell signal to get out here. Called it back here again on a break of resistance, holding firm, testing near-term resistance right here, and it looks good to keep moving higher, guys. All right, so let's see here. Just bringing a trend line here. All right, right here. All right, next one. Tesla. All right, Tesla is holding, okay? Hold on. All right, so Tesla's buy signal, guys, came in right here. All right, right here. Right around 262 on Tesla. Nice move up. All right, held support here. Purple support and resistance. All right, but we're getting past that right here. Good update. Trading at 420.24. So we were definitely overbought here, but it's gearing up again. And I would say right here, near-term resistance right here at 466. Guys, if it breaks through that 466 level, we could see Tesla move much, much higher. All right, so keep an eye on Tesla. All right, any of the time frames. We've traded Tesla on the 5-minute time frame, 60-minute time frame, 240. All right, all through here, done really, really well. Okay, the last one. So Apple, let's take a look at Apple. Yeah, Tesla is really gearing up to break out again. All right. Apple, guys, we do have a sell signal here on Apple. Apple is back within its very tight range, which is right here. All right. So buy signal was here on a break of resistance, broke support, sell signal here. Red candles, we should be out, and it's actually testing support here. So have no idea what's going on with Apple, but that's not good. Okay, so we have big support here. All right, and it gapped down too. So it gapped down and it's at support right here. So really keep an eye on that. Okay, with all of that buying Friday and today, right? Apple should be at least holding, right in here somewhere. Okay, so that's not good. All right, we don't know what's going on with Apple, but that's not good there. Okay, all right. Bitcoin is moving higher. All right, we did get a new buy signal. Okay, guys, so we have a new buy signal on Bitcoin. Very important. Okay, our previous buy signal was here, got out here, red candle, called it again right here. All right, right at about 70,000. All right, sell signal came in. All right, sell signal came in. When was it? Late. Sell signal came in. I think at the end of December, right about there. Right, we got us first week in, I can't remember, first week in January, somewhere around there, we got a sell signal on Bitcoin. Right at 91,000 right here. Right at 91,000 right here. So bought here, right in here, sell signal. We have a new buy signal. We've been talking about waiting for a break of resistance to get another buy signal where we got that. All right, so we got that buy signal, what's that, 2 days ago. Okay, on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin right now is at 106. At this point, guys, anything can happen. Okay, we are overbought. So we have purple support and resistance here, here and here. So we are overbought. But that doesn't mean, okay, that doesn't mean we can't move higher. Okay, 107, who would have thought, right? We would get to 107, 105 right here. It's moving right here, 106 on Bitcoin. Okay, so it's doing its own thing. We do have a trend line here. So, and again, we do have a buy signal on the daily time frame with Bitcoin here. Okay. All righty. Okay. Okay, we might get a bit of a pullback here. Okay, so just be aware of that. Okay, all right. But big candles came in here. Look here, big candles coming in right in here. That's good. But purpose support and resistance, again, that's a concern. All right, because we're overbought. Bitcoin on the weekly time frame looks good. Look at that, guys. On the weekly time frame, gapped up, broke resistance here. Big candles came in, gapped up. Look at this. Big, healthy candles on Bitcoin. Boy, it just wants to run, right? All right. Bonds. All right. We're starting to get a nice move higher. This on the daily time frame here. Okay. I know we have the weekly here, but we've moved it to the daily time frame to see, get a closer picture to what bonds are doing. Okay. So your LTL, right, LTL 10-year bonds, guys, have found support, which is good. Found support here. All right, we can actually call it down here too, but really here, found support and is moving higher. Gapped up today. We would like to get some green candles. At a minimum, let's get some white candles and start moving higher. All right, that will help your rates, right? So your 30-year mortgage, right? Those rates will come down based on the LTL. All right, so what we like to see is another move similar to this. Another move similar to this. All right, so we need buyers to come on in and get to that resistance up here. I think if it gets to this area here, we're looking at rates in the low 5, upper 6. All right, so we're low 6, upper 5. So like 5.8, 6.4, somewhere in there, if we can get it all the way up here. That'd be great. Okay. All right. The dollar index, guys, we're starting to see a bit of a pullback. We looked at the daily time frame on in Monster Futures. Okay. But if you guys look here, we're starting to get, all right, some white candles. All right. And the dollar index. Okay, so buy signal here. Hey, Jocelyn, welcome, right? For bonds, Jocelyn, we look for the LTL. All right, the LTL for bonds. Okay, good question there. All right, so guys, we are looking for the dollar index. Welcome. To break through support right here. Okay, so if it breaks to that support, we'll get a sell signal. Okay, and the dollar, we have further support down here. You're welcome. Further support down here. But right now, let's see if it breaks through that support. So buy signal here, good markup phase. All right, good markup phase. All green candles all the way up, guys. But if you notice, right, we're getting overbought. So purpose support and resistance, we're getting overbought. All right, so get ready for perhaps a sell signal. And remember, as the equity markets moves higher, all right, the dollar tends to come down, move lower. So this is to be expected. Okay. All right, but these markets are doing whatever they want right now. Okay. All right. So especially these dollar pairs. All right, but we still have to pay attention to these rotations and these cycles, okay? All right, but again, price action, that's what that's our primary focus. But, behind the scenes, we still want to pay attention, take advantage of these rotations, okay? So we're looking for a sell signal to come into the dollar, all right? All right. The dollar on the weekly time frame, we're pulling back a bit. Let's bring this down right here. So we have resistance right here, a high right here. Real resistance is right here, but we're calming back down for now. Okay? All right. On the weekly time frame. Now, just remember, the dollar made a big move, guys. Dollar made a big move, so it's due for a pullback here. Dollar index on the monthly time frame, we stuck between, all right, support and resistance, but on the monthly time frame. Okay, so big move higher, but again, we could see the dollar index come on down. All right, if the equity markets keeps moving higher, but pay attention to this. Pound yen. Oh my God. All right, so pound yen. All right, we had some selling come in. All right, looks like we might have found support. And just remember, the yen pairs will follow pound yen. So we have support here. All right, we'll need to see buyers come back in. All right, green candles, at a minimum white candle, kind of like here. We get a white candle here, start moving higher. That will help the yen pairs, okay? So pound yen on the daily time frame is in a range right now, guys, between resistance and support. Okay, so we can start here, count it for here. This is where sellers came in. So all this area right here, right, all here, previous resistance becomes support. This is where buyers failed before, right? So buy signal was here, sell signal, all of that selling came in, and now, right, it's stuck between your box right here, support and resistance. Okay, so just be aware of that. We're not trending in pound yen, and that will affect your other yen pairs. On the weekly time frame, we're holding a good trend line here, upward trend line here in pound yen. All right, the good news is this week we have a white candle here, right? We thought that it would break through that trend line, break down, red candles come in. Guess what? Held. Okay, look at the last time it held. So red candles here, white candles, buyers came in. All right, red candles, white candle here, buyers came in. Red candle, white candle, we need to see buyers come in again and then test through that resistance here, strong resistance here, right at 199. We're going to make this our whole number here. You know, the market's like these whole numbers, so 200. All right, so we'll make that 200 right here. We break through, right? I know we got a long way to go from there, but, markets could move quickly. So pound yen on the weekly time frame, we break through that resistance here. That will be really good for the yen pairs. On the monthly time frame, you have a buy signal here, right? You can clearly see we are stuck between a big support and resistance there on the monthly time frame, pound yen. The reason we pay attention to pound yen, guys, all the other yen pairs, all right, will move with pound yen, and pound yen will move with the equity market. So as stocks move higher, pound yen pairs will move higher. Okay, so big support down here, big support right here, 123. All right, let's call it 124 right here. Big support, big resistance here. Sellers came in here, sellers came in here. Here we are, right? We're looking to break through. Buy signal was here, all right? Big break, we need to move higher. The yen, guys, the Japanese yen is holding that support here. We need that to break through that support. Now it's really far down in the markdown phase. Can we have additional selling? Absolutely. As pound yen moves higher, we need the yen, the Japanese yen, the raw yen to break through, make another leg down. Okay? All right? It can certainly move lower just like it did here, just like it did here. Okay? So we needed to break through that support here and make another leg down. That's the yen. That will help our yen pairs and pound yen. Gold, like I said, is moving higher. A buy signal here, guys, on the weekly time frame here. On the gold, this is not a GLD, so this is not the ETF, right? That's the gold in the futures market, the actual gold price. 22.83 was a buy signal here. Here we are, 27.59, and it's moving higher, okay, with the market. Strange, right? Very strange, okay? But that's what's happening, moving higher. Gold tend to be a flight to safety, but it's moving with equities right now. Silver held support, a big support here. All right, big support right here, held. All right, and currently we have a green candle right here moving higher on silver. So that's good. Crude oil, pay attention. We talked about crude oil at the opening. All right, we talked about crude oil, guys. Look, our stock boss traders, bull master traders, especially bull master traders, okay? We're seeing energy stocks come in. All right, energy stocks are showing up on the radar, so keep an eye on those in your bull master system. Bull master pro also, we'll take a look at that. That system is a little different since we don't have heat seeker there, okay? But keep an eye, energy stocks, energy and financials, okay? So we're looking for a break. It's been stuck between a long range, long consolidation here since 2022. And we know what happens when price consolidates for a long time. They finally have to break out. So we're anticipating, looking for a big break in crude oil and energy. Okay? All right. A lot of information. How are we doing on time? All right. We're doing okay. All right. So current positions. Let's go through those. In Monster Scalper, we might go a bit later this evening. Not too late, okay, guys? But we still have a lot of information here to go through, okay? All right, USDN, okay. All right, sell signal came in here. All right, so buy signal here on a break of resistance. All right. So let's draw it out. I know this looks confusing. All right, so here's the trade. Forget about this. This came afterwards, okay? So markdown phase, markup phase, buy signal was here on a break of resistance here. Previous resistance becomes support. So sellers came in, so our sell signal was right here. So we bought here, sold here, we should be out. Now, it's on the 60-minute time frame. I know this is a big candle here. If you were lucky enough, you were watching it, that candle turned red in this area here, you would have gotten out. But that's a big candle here. So if you guys traded this, I'm sure you weren't able to get out right here at that sell signal. But we should be out. So USD and okay. Close that trade, please. That's the dollar pair, so dollar is moving lower. USD CAD, dollar CAD, okay? So buy signal here, guys, sell signal. You should be out on this candle here. All right, nothing we can do about that. Okay, wait a second, was it? No, we didn't call this one here. Okay, this was the one here. All right, and I know some of you, who was it? I forgot. One of our traders traded it really well. But we didn't trade this one here. This was the one. So this is 60-minute. The last time we looked at this were on Sunday. So just remember that, okay? So the buy signal was here on a break of resistance. Broke support right here. Red candle, sell signal here on the 60-minute time frame, okay? So we should be out. So USD CAD, we should be out of that trade. SGD JPY, that's a new trade that we called. Today we send out the alert. All right, let's draw it out. So SGD, so we'll look for more yen pairs to move higher. All right, so SGD JPY, good markdown phase. First trade, buy signal here, sell signal, red candle came in. All right, reaccumulation trade right here. Buy signal here, we're holding firm for now. Okay, our target, if it keeps moving higher, keep those green candles, our target will be, let's call it right about here. So just remember, sellers are sitting here and here and here, all right? And here, so this area here, first level of resistance, we know sellers, we have a lot of sellers sitting right up here. Just waiting. So just be aware of that as we move higher there. If we can get past resistance here, next level of resistance is right here. But trade it one level at a time, candle by candle. No shorts. No shorts on the 60-minute time frame for now, okay? But as the equity markets moves higher, right, we would like to see the dollar pairs move lower and yen pairs move higher, okay? Now, I know we got a lot of yen dollar pairs on the daily time frame. We'll check to see how they're doing this evening, okay? All right. On the 240, on the 240-minute time frame long, we have USD CAD, dollar CAD. All right, so dollar CAD did close. All right, so buy signal was here. Guys, there's nothing we can do about this. All right, so buy signal on a break of resistance. Big red candle came in. Sell signal. Okay, we should be out. All right. The second buy signal, we didn't call this. Okay, so dollar CAD, don't do anything there. Okay, like I said, the dollar index have made a big move. Right here, here's the dollar index, white candle coming in here. Okay, when we see this type of price action here, we know, right, they're almost done. All right, buyers are almost done. Okay, so looks like distribution right now. If it keeps going down, all right, we can get into the markdown phase. Dollar CAD on the 240. So be careful of the dollar pairs long. Okay, all right, so things are switching. Not quite a rotation yet, but things are, all right, moving around. All right. Remember, not what we want. It's based on what price is doing, okay? All right, on the 240, we do have some shorts. I'm sure these close. Let's see here. We'll see. On the yen pairs shorts. So make sure we clean things up. Wouldn't it be nice to see another run, guys, in equities? That would be great. If we get a buy signal, let's say this month, right, on the daily time frame, we could see this market run up all through spring. We usually get one correction after the Christmas rally, right? So fourth quarter rally, we usually get a correction in January going into February, and then we get one last run for the spring, right? And then sell in May and go away. We could see, because this is an election year, right? Election, new president, right? Some optimism in the market. We could see where this market, I'm not saying it will, okay? So don't hold me to this. But we could see where equities move up for the next 4 or 5 months, guys. Okay, we could see that. Absolutely. The way it's holding in that markup phase, right? Right, we get some reaccumulation buy signals. We could really see equities move higher. Okay, Swiss yen. All right, sell signal here, so we should be out. Let's close this. Okay. All right, we're looking for these yen pairs to move higher. ZAR yen, sell short here, green candles, close that. CAD yen is on the 240. CAD yen, sell short signal here. White candles coming in here. Held support here. Close that. We're going to clean things up here. CAD yen, SGD, same thing. Pound yen, all right. Sell short signal here. I think we called it right about here. Guys, green candles here. Held support. Look at that. It's over. All right. So held support here. We'll be looking for longs, okay? Longs to go up. All right, so pound yen is setting up nicely here. Okay, so that short trade closed. We have a short signal, buy to cover here, green candles, right? We'll look for buy signals to come in on that 240 soon. Okay, so pound yen, close that trade, please. HKD, your Hong Kong, sell short signal here. Boy, this one is still holding. All right, so we'll hold it for now, but boy, keep an eye on it. All right, you have good support here. All green candles though, so we'll hold that one for now. Euro yen, sell short signal, green candles, close this. All right, nothing there. TRY, JPY, that is moving on nicely here. Sell short signal here, holding here. Keep an eye on it. We'll hold it for now. New Zealand yen. So short here, we were looking for a further break below resistance. Right here, buyers came in, we should be out, okay? No, all right, pound, New Zealand, sell short signal here, that's holding firm for now. We do have a white candle, right? Pound New Zealand, they're doing their own thing. No real correlation. So we'll leave it for now. Keep an eye on it. We need red candles to come on down. Your support level is all the way down here. And then Aussie yen, similar, all right, but Aussie yen closed. All right, so sell short signal here, all right, hit resistance here, sell signal right here. White arrow, that's your sell signal there to close the trade. So pound Aussie closed the trade, but we'll leave pound New Zealand for now. HKD, JPY, your Hong Kong, and TRY, JPY, your Turkish, we'll leave those there, okay? All right, now the dollar pairs. Long, this trade has been the best trade. All right, for months, nothing happened in Forex, dominate on the daily time frame. Finally, got some good trades. And this is the only, really the only time frame for Forex that's been performing well. So let's see how they're doing. All right. All right, USD HUF, guys, buy signal here. All right, buy signal here. You see here? See what's happening with the dollar here? All right, it's coming down, white candles here. All right, if you guys are in this, all right, we don't have a lot of traders in Forex Dominator, right? We know that, but we do have some traders that trade it, okay, on the daily time frame. All right. So buy signal here, you could take profits, purple support and resistance, white candles. So we see what's going on here. We need buyers to come on back in though, guys, but this is an area here where we could get a sell signal or red candle. Keep an eye on that. USD HUF, we'll hold it for now. USD CNH, all right, look here, we got a sell signal. All right, so USD and CNH, buy signal came here. All right, big resistance here. Look here. This is why we do this, guys. So there's no surprise here. Okay, so we know we have sellers here. Sellers here. We can count it here. And here we are. We talked about this, right? That we could get a sell signal, and we did. All right, but good trade though. Good markdown phase. Buy signal was here on a break of resistance. Sell signal here to get out. Not a bad trade. Big red candle here. All right, your white arrow here to close the trade. Your dotted blue lines here, right? See that there? So it was a profitable trade, but we should be out. So always keep in mind, as we move ahead, what's above us, okay? Strong sellers above. Sell signal, red candle, we should be out, okay? All right, so that trade, that dollar long trade is changing. Dollar CAD, also a sell signal. Okay, so buy signal was here on a break of this resistance, all green candles. Beautiful trade, guys. Beautiful trade here. Okay, sell signal. All right, what happened here? So it gave a sell signal and an immediate buy signal. We're not taking that buy signal. All right, that's a fake there. So we're not taking that. We're going to close that long trade. USD CAD bought here, sold here on a break of this resistance right here. Purple support and resistance getting overbought. It's done. All right, it's done. So USD CAD, dollar CAD, take profits, done. All right, USD Swiss, dollar Swiss, buy signal here. White candles are coming in here. We leave it for right now, but just remember, guys, all right, here we are. Pay attention to this. All right, support here, resistance. This is where sellers came in before. Here and here. And here, all right, we were trading this big range. All right, now, good trade here. All right, pay attention to your levels, your support and resistance levels, okay? So we bought here, right? Good support here, moved up nicely, and we are right here, right like we did right here, okay? But white candles are coming in here. We need to get a bounce, but you guys see what's going on with the dollar pairs. We're going to leave it for now, okay, for educational purposes, all right? But, all right, if you have traders in it, this is where you might want to just take profits, all right? Or if you scale it up, take most of your profits off the table, okay? Because we could see sellers come in heavy here, like they've done previously. Here, here, and here. All right. Protect your account. Dollar Swiss, buy signal here. Great trade here. Okay. So USD and OK. We're going to close this one here. Buy signal here. Not looking good at all. We're going to close that one on a white candle there. Okay. So dollar Swiss right here. DKK right here. USD HUF right here. Okay. USD SEK, red candles coming in, guys. So it closed yesterday with a red day, right? A red day yesterday, red candle here. And currently we got a red candle here. Don't wait for your sell signal. Close the trade. Okay. So buy signal here. Buy signal here. Again, on this pair, right? Lots of resistance here. This is where sellers came in heavy. Even here. Okay, even here. Here. So they love to sell dollar SEK. Or buy signal was here. All the way down here. Why not just get out? Okay, on red candles. Sellers are coming in here. Right, purple support and resistance overbought. We have strong sellers here. Close the trade, please. Okay. Don't wait for this selling and give back all those profits. USD SEK, close the trade, please. Last one, USD SGD. Again, all right, see the pattern here. All right, markdown phase, good markdown phase, good markup phase. Buy signal was all the way down here, guys. Our blue arrow here by our system. Red candle here. So yesterday we had a red candle, a red day, and currently red day. Close the trade, please. Okay, so buy signal here, red candles, close the trade, good profits there. And then just remember, we have a lot of sellers right here, even right here. And these sellers are watching, waiting, all right, to short. Okay, so big shorts here, even here. Here we are. Sellers are coming in. Red candle. Close the trade. Okay. All right. So for right now, we'll leave. Keep an eye on USD HUF, USD DKK. All right. USD Swiss. Okay. We could see sellers coming also. We do have one short in Forex Dominator. Let's take a look. And then we'll take a look at equity positions. All right. All right, short in Forex Dominator on the daily time frame, we have ZAR-Yen. So ZARJPY. All right, sell short signal here. All right, we have white candles coming in here. We're going to close that, okay? All right, we need these yen pairs to move higher with equities, okay? Now, guys, I know things are looking really good with equities to break out, give us a buy signal. Anything can happen, you know that. Sellers can come back in. But right now, pay attention to the price action, okay? Equity positions. So we have not a lot. We've cleaned things up. We'll look to add some more. So stock boss. So small caps. Let's see. We have two here. Okay. So I'm sure they've done well. All right. So USD PV. SUPV on the daily time frame. Buy signal came in right about 8:44, guys. Buy signal here holding up nicely here at 417, so it's holding firm. At MVST, all right, buy signal here at what's that? 49 cents, 50 cents, trading at 214. Great trade here. All right, what's that? 400%. Not bad here. Holding firm, all green candles, and with equities moving higher, that should help. Okay, that's in Stock Boss Bull Master. So large caps, Bull Master. Let's take a look. All right, BYRN, buy signal was here, guys, moving up nicely there. $19 was the buy signal, trading at 30. That looks good. All right. RH looks good. UNFI looks good. CRK looks good, really good. That's holding firm. YPF looks good. GGAL looks really good. All right. EAT looks really good, guys. The buy signal was at 72, trading at 150. Looks good. CLS. All right. CLS looks good. All right. KD, buy signal here, moving up nicely. Marvel, look at Marvel. Buy signal was here, trading up nicely. And EAT, right? Did I call EAT? Right here. Yes. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. Bullmaster Pro. We don't have any in Bullmaster Pro. We'll look to add some in Bullmaster Pro though. We're gonna get Bullmaster Pro going, especially if we get a buy signal there. Okay, in equities. All right, two sectors I want to take a quick look at. So energy and financials. Okay, so let's look for some opportunities in energy and financials. We know we don't have buy signals yet, guys, on the Dow, on the daily, but buyers are coming in here. Okay, so on the Dow, buyers are coming in. We do need a buy signal on a break of this resistance. We understand we don't have that yet. So we don't have a confirmed buy signal. Okay, but buyers are coming in. On the S&P, same thing here, all near all-time highs, right? Buyers are coming in, green candle. Again, we don't have a confirmed buy signal. Sellers could easily come back in. All right, on the S&P, same with the NASDAQ on the daily and on the Russell here. So just keep that in mind as we look for some opportunities. Okay, so we're getting in early, all right, early, but just know that we don't have a confirmed buy signal yet in equities. Okay, that's important. So be cautious. All right, stock boss. Okay, we'll only right now energy and financials. So we've got, let me run it again. We run over 22,000 stocks, guys. So there's 92 in stock boss. That's a lot. A couple of weeks ago, we had only 13. All right, so we got 92. That's a lot. So let's take a quick look. You can look at basic material too, gold. All right, but really energy. Let's see what's going on here. Energy and financial. And as we get going here, we'll add healthcare. So energy, what's that? Okay, so PTEN, all right, in stock boss. Okay, good markdown phase here, broke resistance here, buyers are coming in, support down here. Okay, so follow your support, tight, a fairly tight range here. Okay, if we open this up, all right, you can see good markdown phase. This stock fell from what, $17? Not a great risk reward, but buy signal came in here right around $9, but fairly decent trade. Okay, all right. So PTEN. Let's keep going here, and that's energy. All right, the next one here. Now, let's look for buyers on at a minimum the weekly, okay? So PTEN, white candles on the weekly here, still sellers on the monthly. That's fine, okay? At least we have buyers coming in here on the white candles on the weekly, okay? So PTEN. Next one. OIS, decent markdown phase. We have buyers, green candles here on the weekly time frame. Breaking resistance, buy signal here. All right, OIS in stock boss. All right, these are energy stocks now. Okay. All right, RES on the weekly, green candles on the weekly. Look here, we have a white candle here on the monthly. That's good. We're breaking resistance right about here. Let's call it resistance here. This is where buyers failed before. Buy signal here. Let's see if it can break through this time. Support, Look at your support. Good strong support, guys, right here. You guys can see that. Good, strong support there. So RES, and we are looking for a big move. Well, let me not say big move, right? When I say that we're looking for a big, that doesn't happen, okay? All right, so ACDC, right? Sounds like the group. All right, so we have resistance here. We get in past resistance here. We have buyers here. Good markdown phase on the weekly. Look at that, guys, on the weekly. Buyers are coming in, right? Markdown, accumulation, right? Want to break through that resistance there. We're going to add that. ACDC, and this is energy now in stock boss, okay? Good resistance here. We need to break out. Support is about right here. All right. Couple more. No buy signal yet. All right. Nice. TTI. Buy signal here. Beautiful buy signal right here on the break of this resistance. Nice, healthy candles. On the weekly time frame, guys, we have a big week right here. So last week, big week. Buyers, look at the buyers here on the weekly. That's good. Even on the monthly right here. So the current month, right? Buyers are coming in here, guys. And this is a fairly inexpensive stock. Trading at, buy signal came in at $4.08. All right. That's good. Okay. So TTI. And that's, again, energy. All right. We're looking for a breakout in energy. And I think that's the last one. Two financial stocks. Okay, so energy and financials. That's gone. Buy signal here. That's gone already in stock boss. The next one, LX. LX is gone. That buy signal came in, wow, at 179. Guys trading at 655. So they got in this stock really early. All right, back in October, really early, LX. All right, so too late. Don't chase them, okay? Don't chase it. So that's it in stock boss. We've got, what, 5? That's not bad, guys. At least we've got some stocks again, okay? Bull Master, let's see here. Bull Master. So 160, guys, in Bull Master. That's a lot. That's a lot. Bull Master, 160. We've got, we'll go through this quickly, guys. I know we're running over a bit here. So energy here, see here, quite a few energy stocks all here. Energy here. Financials, we got a few here in financial. Let's go through this quickly. All right. PAGP, buy signal here on the daily. Good buy signal here. On the weekly, guys, buyers are coming in nicely on the weekly with a buy signal. On the monthly, buyers are coming in. Look at that monthly time frame here. All right, look at that month, guys. Look at the markdown phase. Look at your discount, right? So that price fell on the monthly, guys, from $86. Buy signal came in at $15. Closed today at 21. Beautiful setup. Beautiful setup. Look at that. All right. So we'll let those sellers, we'll let someone else take a hit. All right. And we'll wait for all that selling. Come back in. On the monthly time frame looks good. Weekly time frame looks good. Daily time frame breaking resistance here. Buy signal here by your system. All right. So PAGP in Bull Master. And remember, those are your large cap stocks. Okay. All right. But that's cheap for large caps. $21. All right. No buy signal yet on this one here. Buy signal ARIS in Bull Master. Buyers, buy signal here. Reaccumulation trade, guys, right there. Weekly time frame, buyers are on the weekly and on the monthly, okay? So follow that trend. Buyers are in strong. No selling or buying here. All right. ARIS. LNG, same thing. LNG. Again, these are energy stocks, guys. All right. So right? We don't buy, just buy, right? We pay attention to the indexes, pay attention to the sector, pay attention to the VIX, and then the stock is the last thing. Follow your market phases, your 4 market phases, okay? So reaccumulation, so bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, buy signal here on a break of this resistance. Buyers are on the weekly and the monthly. Look at the monthly. Look at that month, okay? Great trade in there. All right, so we have another opportunity to get in on that daily time frame right here. LGN. Where am I? Next one, right here. Buy signal here. Not very good price action. Let's say that. All right, so let's keep going. VAL, no buyers on the weekly yet. No buy signal. Good setup though, coming. Okay, so nothing here yet. All right, KGS, that's gone. Buy signal came in all the way here, guys, at 29, trading at 48. All right, good price action. Look at the weekly here. Look at the monthly. Okay, lots of buying, but it's too late. That buy signal came in all the way there. Too late. So energy is moving, guys. INVX looks good. We just need a buy signal. All right. So a bull master traders, keep an eye on this one here. We do have buyers here on the weekly. No buyers yet on the monthly, but that's fine. Buyers on the weekly. We just need, as it's breaking through that resistance, I'm surprised it hasn't given a buy signal yet, but that should come in soon. INVX. The next one, VLO, no buyers, no buy signal yet. Keep an eye on it, our bull master traders. HAL, no buy signal yet. Okay, on the daily time frame. Let's see here. PUMP, that's gone. Buy signal is here, guys, all the way up here. Don't chase it. Okay, weekly, buyers are on the weekly, buyers are on the monthly also. Okay, a few more. MO, no buy signal yet, nothing there. All right, SOC, guys, buy signal here, red candle. Buyers are coming back in. We are breaking resistance here. So that's a reaccumulation trade. The previous trades did okay. All right, so markdown phase, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Here we are breaking resistance. Good buyers, look at that. Nice buyers here. All right, we love those buyers. On the weekly time frame, good buying on the weekly and on the monthly. Beautiful month. Look at that. Look at the monthly time frame, guys. All right. No sight of resistance. No resistance in sight. Let's say that, right? Nice buy signal here. It did retrace sellers, right? A little cup and handle here. Breaking resistance here. Definitely SOC. SOC in bull master. Okay? All right. And a matter of fact, we have a nice trend line here. All right. Nice trend line here. Look at that. Breaking out. Okay. SOC. Next one. All right. That's gone. EQT, guys, we got a buy signal right here. It's gone up a bit, not too far, but that purple support and resistance right here, right? It's right here. Boy, good price action. We're gonna call it. Okay, hopefully you might get a bit of a pullback. All right, consolidate again and then move higher, but it just looks too good. It looks really good. The monthly time frame, look here. Monthly time frame, buy signal here. Look at these candles here, guys. On the monthly, we have resistance here. It's getting past resistance. We're talking all-time high territory. Okay. EQT, I wouldn't load up on it. You know, we don't load up on anything, right? On the daily time frame here, look what's happening here. All right, that's the daily time frame. I'm sorry, the weekly. That's the weekly time frame here, right? Weekly, right here. Okay, good price action. We broke resistance here. It's good support down here. It's gone. All right, so we'll call it EQT in bull master. I am sorry, guys, we are taking longer this evening. But with the buying that's coming in, I want to get you guys some opportunities, okay? So EQT, Bull Master, okay? And that's energy. SEI, that's gone. Buy signal here, moving higher. Pay attention, even if we're not trading these other stocks, guys, pay attention to how they're moving. That will help your trade, okay? All right, so they're moving. Buy signal here, moving up higher. Weekly, look at that. Monthly, buyers are definitely coming in. So these institutions are definitely getting into energy, all right? And I know the new president is talking about crude oil and energy and all of that. It doesn't matter. We follow the price, all right? If that helps this, great, all right? All right? All right, we follow heat seeker, follow our price action. So PPA, we're breaking resistance here, buy signal here, right? Buyers are on the weekly, buyers are on the monthly there. So PAA, okay? All right, let's keep going. Nice setup. I think we've traded this before. AROC in Bull Master. Okay, reaccumulation trade, guys, broke resistance right here, buy signal came in right here. I know this is hard to see. Our blue arrow here, right here, big candle came in on the break of resistance here. All right, reaccumulation trade. Buyers are on the weekly. You guys can see that there. Okay, buyers here on the monthly. Okay, look at the monthly time frame. Oh my goodness. All right, look at that. Beautiful setup there. All right, crude oil. All right, energy. Okay. All right. So AROC. Next one. That's gone. That's gone too far there. Don't chase. All right. No buy signal there. Couple more. All right. NFG. We can just write this one right away. NFG in Bull Master. Look at that, guys. What a beautiful trade. All right, let's open this up here. Look at this markup phase. Oh my goodness. Here's your markdown. Look at that. All right, markup phase, bought here, sold here, sellers came in, bought here, sold here, sellers came in, bought here, sold here, sellers came in, broke resistance here. And we are gapping up on this stock. All right, so buy signal came in right here at 65, guys, gapped up. Nice, look at this, nice move higher there. So on the daily time frame now, on the weekly time frame, we are breaking all types of resistance on the weekly. Look at that. NFG. Look at that. Look at that markdown phase on the weekly time frame. Remember, we can every time frame you'll have your phases. Okay, so let's draw it out. Markdown phase, accumulation, markup, buy signal here. Red candles, broke support, sell signal here, markdown phase on the weekly. All right, markdown, accumulation, broke resistance, buy signal here. Look at that price action there on the weekly time frame. Not that we would trade it on the weekly, but we can see what these buyers are doing. Okay, and on the monthly time frame, buyers are definitely coming in on the monthly time frame here. So daily, weekly. And look at this. We have big resistance here coming up here. Guys, if we get past that resistance, let's do this here. I promise I'll get you guys out of here. But listen, these equities are moving. This sector is moving. All right, so we got to get some opportunities. Okay, so support here, resistance here. So we know we're in the range. We're looking to break through that range on the monthly time frame. If it breaks through, guys, all right, we could see a big move. All right, that's why it's gapping up like this. Okay, so NFG, all right, in Bull Master, the last energy stock. All right, It's not too far gone. Buy signal here, reaccumulation, and it is breaking a big resistance here. Buy signal came in here at 30, 37 and change, trading at 40. All right, hasn't left too far. Resistance is here, resistance is here. We are getting past resistance. Buy signal and breaking a big resistance there on the weekly time frame. Look here. On the monthly time frame, we're also breaking a resistance here. On the monthly, look at the monthly, guys. All right. So sold off at 94. Buy signal came in here. Not that we would trade it on the monthly, but buy signal at 18. Trading at 40 here, breaking resistance. Look at that markdown phase. Beautiful markdown phase on that monthly time frame. But setting up nicely, just like that previous, right? We looked at really good price action. All right, same here. Buy signal here, breaking out nicely there. RRC in bull master. Okay, I think, well, we have a few financials. Let's go through this quickly. Okay, all right. Financials, FOUR in bull master. This is your financials. Buy signal here. Beautiful buy signal came in today. Right, markup phase. So bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Breaking resistance, buy signal here. Buyers are on the weekly, buyers are on the daily. On the monthly. Okay, so we're moving higher. Financials. So energy and financials. As we move forward, we look to add healthcare. Another one, GS. All right, so we're stock boss traders, bull master traders. You guys can't complain right now, right? We've got opportunity. No, listen, right? A couple of weeks ago, right, after that, our fourth quarter rally, Christmas rally, we know things died off. We talked about just waiting, right? Waiting patiently. Guess what? They're coming back in, which is what they always do, right? Doesn't necessarily mean they'll do it on our time frame. Okay, they'll do it on their time frame. All right, so buy signal, GS, good trading here, guys. Buy signal here on the break of this resistance here, just carried over there. Buy signal here, good price action. Buyers on the weekly, buyers are on the monthly. Those are our traders that trade options. You can start looking for call, especially if you're using Bull Master, which several of you use Bull Master. I know Tylac is on there. Tylac uses Bull Master, right? So you can use Bull Master and look for calls with these, okay? Especially your Bull Master. I wouldn't do calls on your stock boss, okay? Those are small cap stocks. With the Russell, and we know Russell isn't doing much right now. So, GS buy signal here, moving up nicely there. Weekly time frame looks good. Look at the monthly. Oh my goodness. So, GS looks good. Financials. All right. EQH, look at that. EQH. And we'll be done after financials, okay? Bullmaster Pro, we'll probably do that. What's the day? Tuesday, probably Thursday, okay? If I remember. EQH, buy signal here, moving up nicely. On the daily, weekly, look at the trend here on the weekly. Look at that, guys. Look at that. All right. Financials. And on the monthly, buyers are on the monthly there. Okay. DB. All right. DB. All right. Looks good. You guys get the idea. DB in Bull Master. All right, buy signal here, we're breaking resistance on the weekly, breaking resistance on the monthly. You guys can see that there, okay? TD, all right, beautiful buy signal here, TD. All right, good markdown phase. White candles coming in. We need this. We need more buys to come in here. All right, but the buy signal looks good on the daily. All right, so TD. Is that TD Bank? Okay. All right, V. All right, good buy signal. So financials, guys, look at that. Buy signal. So that's reaccumulation. First trade, bought here, sold here. All right, might have gotten out here, get back in. All right, buy signal here on the break of this resistance. All right, buyers on the weekly, buyers on the monthly. Look at all these green candles here, guys, on the monthly there, okay? So just V. Okay, V in bull master. Okay, financials. MS. Buy signal here. These guys, these are beautiful buy signals in financials. Pay attention to financials. These are beautiful buy signals. Hey, Antonio, welcome. Okay, so buy signal here on the break of this resistance. Nice buy signal, guys. Look at that. Reaccumulation. Follow your 4 market phases. Okay, so buy signal here. Previous buy signal was here. Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here. Nicely in the markup phase. Weekly buy signal here. All that good buying here, and even on the monthly. All right, so MS. That's financials, bull master. Okay? All right. That's gone. Buy signal here all the way down here, but boy, look at the weekly, look at the monthly here. We just need a closer buy signal. That's gone. Don't chase it. All right, this one, BBAR, that's gone too. Buy signal was all the way down here at 10.44, trading at $23. Good buying on the weekly, good buying on the monthly. Don't feel bad if you've missed it. This is confirmation that that sector is moving, right? You can't trade all of them. Okay, don't get greedy. All righty. All right, nothing here. Last one, nothing here. Okay, so crude oil, energy, guys, energy. And let's do this. What time is it? Oh my gosh, almost 8:30. So energy and financials, guys, in your stock boss, bull master. SGD, JPY, we called that earlier today. We send those out, that alert out to our monster scalper traders. I'm just going through this quickly here. Okay, we're going to add pound yen, guys. Buy signal here, red candles, right? Good markdown phase. So pound yen, GBP, JPY, long in monster scalper on the 60-minute time frame in monster scalper. Okay, euro yen, that's gone too far. Excuse me. Swiss yen, we're gonna add it. Buy signal here, red candle, we're moving higher. So CHF, JPY, and we'll send these out to our monster scalper traders. 60-minute time frame there. Okay. CAD yen, wait for your buy signal there on the 60. Same with Aussie yen, 240. Let's see quickly here. ZAR yen on the 240. ZAR yen, guys, on the daily. It's a tight consolidation here on the daily. Same on the weekly. Let's pass on ZAR yen. Pound yen on the 240, wait for it. All right, we're done. All right, guys. So who would have thought? Equities, huh? All right, so equities, stocks are back in favor. Now, we do need a confirmed buy signal, okay? So on the S&P, Dow, NASDAQ, especially on the S&P and the NASDAQ, we need confirmed buy signals, but we've got buyers coming in, so we'll call those, right? We'll send out those alerts. The two sectors right now, all right, energy and financials, okay? We'll look to see healthcare, how healthcare does, right? Hopefully, that might be the third sector. If we get buy signals across the board, equity market starts moving, we'll look at every single sector, okay? I apologize for keeping you guys here so long, almost half an hour, guys. But you guys know this, when these markets starts to move, we've got to get on these trades, okay? So I would say it's not when we are ready, it's when the market's ready. And it's moving right now, equities, okay? All right. Take care. I'll see everyone on Thursday. And I'll see you guys on our school community. Also, I'm always available. So you guys can reach me all the time. Okay?